Hi guys, how are you all doing? Guys, it has been a long time. Guys, if today is your first time seeing this face, this is Matilda. Welcome to Mati Kitchen where we cook and eat. So guys, I'm going to be eating starch and egusi soup today. This starch, oh, I made it myself. Is the starch when I is the one I make when I was making the gari. So this is the starch. It look white like this because I put a tiny oil. So it's not that red. It's supposed to be very red, but because of the oil, it's not red. Okay. So this is egusi soup. Authentic egusi soup. This egusi soup, guys, I have a I have turkey. I have a smoked turkey inside. I have a mama. Um, I have stockfish. Sorry guys, my water is here. This is my water. Mukbang, guys. You guys can come and join me to eat. It has been a long time doing mukbang. This soup is really good with this starch. So good. It's really good. Here's my stockfish. You guys know that I already finished the pomo. The cow skin is gone. All right, guys. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you are subscribing, remember to turn on your notification bell so whenever a video pop up, you will be notified. See you guys in my next one. Bye.